I've got it set to test all the way over. It says 52 in here. Soon you'll see water coming out of here. Hopefully none out of there, or none out of there. And like I say, hopefully soon you'll see water coming out of there. There it goes. There it is. You see it? All right. So it's draining down into there. Hopefully no problems. I'm going to have to kind of tie wrap it on there so it doesn't just come out on its own. Got my leak detector there, which will cover both the AC, the humidifier, and the hot water heater. So it looks like another successful install for Joe the handyman. So humidity is fairly high in here right now, so I'm going to put it down to maybe 3. So you can see the humidifier ain't on, otherwise it'd be a red or a green light. Let me see if I can turn it up to the point where it'll come on. I don't think it will. It's just too humid down here right now. But, you know, I got the thermocouple going out there, temperature sensor. And you can see the water is trickling, but there ain't gonna be much water coming out of here with the humidity where it's at. So I'm thinking I'm good. Let me take this top off and see how this water panel's doing. Oops. Feel the hot air coming through there, but there. And I guess it ain't gonna humidify with it on winter. I gotta open that up. It was closed. So maybe that's why the humidity is so high. Let's see. So now the cover's on. It's turned to winter, which is straight this way. Summer's either down or up. It's definitely not summer anymore. Humidity's at 50. But, you know, I don't think a lot of water's coming through. I'm going to have to come back and check because it's possible that I have my wires crossed for my solenoid. And I think if that's the case, it would maybe stay on. Don't know for sure, but that's the solenoid, if you can see it. But yeah, I think it's turned off, but I mean it's trickling, but it's probably just because of when it was on earlier. Because when it's actually running full blast, there's a fairly decent stream. It ain't like filling the whole tube up, but fairly decent. And appears that we're good as in for leaks. I don't see any. Don't see any. I got it set for 68 off, so the humidity's coming down. So I'm gonna set it at 4. So when it gets down to whatever 4 is, let's see if it's on here. This is a manual in case you want to run it in manual mode. Cleaning off my lens, that's what the red is. I have a red shirt on. So it looks like if it's outdoor is 40, it'll be 45%. You should set it at. I bet it's somewhere close to that. All right, I'll revisit. Bye. One little leak, very small. I tighten that nut up right there with a copper line coming in, about a quarter turn. Should do it, but obviously I'll come back and check it. All right, it's been off for a while now. I went ahead and put some of the silver metal tape around here because I felt air escaping from there, hot air, so figured don't want to lose any efficiency. See, it's still at 46. It actually went to 45, but now it's come back up to 46 without even kicking on. So, you know, it all depends on the temperature outside, but 45 is about where I want it. So I'll leave it for now. And signing off, Joe Finley. Whole house humidifier install appears to be complete. Have a great day. Cheat Lake, West Virginia, November 8th. Now it looks kind of cool in the dark. Well, it's not that dark because of the light, but 46%. I like it to stay 45 or slightly below, between 40 and 45. So you're supposed to keep an eye on it for a couple of days and adjust it if you need to, and then it'll take care of itself. Over and out.